Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Had a breakfast, children? Yes. Let us start with the lesson 5. Kittur Rani Chennamma. Kittur Rani Chennamma, you all know about Kittur Rani Chennamma. She was a great freedom fighter. Now you can see here Kittur Rani Chennamma's figure. You can see here. She is fighting here with the British people. Kittur Rani Chennamma was born in 1778 in Belgavi in Kakti. You all know that she was a great She was a great freedom fighter. Now she is from Karnataka. Now you can see the same like Kittur Rani Chennamma, she was a queen. And you can see here Oneke Oberoi, she is also from Karnataka. But she was not a queen, children. She was not a queen. She was an ordinary lady. But ordinary lady also, she has struggled for our state. Yes, children, let us start with the lesson. Now, Madakari Nayaka was ruling Chitradurga. The Chitradurga fort was very beautiful and strong. Here you can see the fort here. You can see a fort here. It was very beautiful. There was a brave woman in the city. There was a brave woman in the city. Her name was Oberoi. Her name was Oberoi. Her husband was a guard of watchtower in the fort of Chitradurga. Once Hyder Ali attacked the Chitradurga fort. You know all that. Hyder Ali. Who is Hyder Ali? Hyder Ali is Tipu's father. The soldier on both sides fought bravely. Hyder Ali sent his soldier into the fort through the secret tunnel. Now, Hyder Ali, he did not fight with the opposite enemies straightly. He was sending through the secret place with secret tunnels. While the soldier was rushing in the fort through this tunnel at night, Hyder Ali was sending his soldier with the secret tunnel. That time Oberoi saw it. She was a brave and patriotic. Patriotic, you know, children, she was a brave lady like Kittur Rani Chennamma. And patriotic, she was fond of our country and state. Without disturbing her husband, she came towards the tunnel with her Oneke. That is pistol. How it will be, children? You have in your house that Oneke. You know, no? Mummy will be grinding with that Oneke. She will be doing all these types of Mummy will be grinding masalas, no? All dry masalas, they'll be grinding with that Oneke, pistol. Hiding beside the opening of the tunnel. See, Oberoi, she was seeing the enemies coming to the secret. From coming through the secret tunnels, she saw. She did not tell her husband to get up. She did not call anybody. Just she got up, she took that Oneke and she was hiding and standing near the tunnel. Let us see which enemy is coming to our fort. She began to kill the enemy soldier one by one. She began to kill the enemy soldier one by one, who is coming secretly in the tunnel. Hyder Ali, he did not attack the people directly. He is sending the enemies through secret tunnel. She hit them on their head with her oneke and they called out of the tunnel. What a brave woman! She has saved the fort. Now you can see the fort here. You can see this figure, fort figure here. Oneka Obawa, she was a watchtower's wife. She was not a queen. She was a watchman's wife. She is not a queen, but she was a patriotic. Patriotic means she was fond of our country and state. She was very brave woman. She don't want to lose her fort easily. Hyder Ali has attacked, but she has saved her fort, fighting with the enemies. She had saved the fort. The guard Obawa's husband saw Obawa with her 100 of the enemy's dead bodies around her. The husband got up and he saw the wife's side beside of her backside, front side, sidewards. He saw 100 enemies' dead bodies around her. He was shocked. He was really shocked. He did not knew his wife is so bold and so brave woman. He was shocked. Now you can see by this sentence, the guard Obawa's husband saw Obawa with her hundreds of enemies' dead bodies around her. He was shocked. See, now you see the Obawa. Obawa is an ordinary woman. She is not any freedom fighter, nothing. She was a woman. Her husband was a guard of watchtower. She was not any freedom fighter, not any Kittur Rani Chennamma, but she was an ordinary woman. She have a great respect about our state. And she have a great value of our fort. She don't want to lose our state. She don't want to. By this, children, we also should not lose our state. We also should have a love and bondage of our state. We should be like a patriotic like Obawa. Now let us read the last stanza. Obawa was an ordinary woman. She protect the fort. See, even though she is a housewife, but she did not lose her fort. She automatically, he was sending in secret tunnels the enemies to fight. But she did not call her husband. She did not call anybody. The only woman, she took that oneke, that is pistol, and she made the enemies. Yes, I will give an example about now Oneke Obawa. She has give a security and she has fought about our fort. She did not leave the fort. She has saved our fort. Today I am going to give an example. For example, you have a brother, younger brother. You all both will be fighting. Yes or no? You all both will be fighting. No, sorry. You have two brothers here in one house. Your friend will come fight with you all. With one brother. What the other brother will do? He will save his brother. He won't save the other fellow. Yes or no? you will save your own brother, not the other fellow. So, you people also, you have to protect our state. Now, Omanakya Oba also, she has protected her Chitradurga fort. She did not leave her fort to the Ayudarali. Madakari Nayaka praised her patriotism and bravery. See, Madakari Nayaka, he has praised her because she did not leave her fort. He has praised her with patriotism and bravery. She was a great woman like Kittur Rani Chennamma and Keladi Chennamma. Glory to be her. Now these freedom fighters, like she is a queen. This Kittur Rani Chennamma was a queen, but Oneke Oba, she was an ordinary woman, but too she was very brave woman. She did not leave her fort. She did not leave her fort. Hope you all understood, children. Thank you, children.